morning, one and all. My name is Payal Singh, and I am here to speak or tell you about freedom, equality. These are the things. Actually, I start political theory, chapter one. That is all about that. What is political theory, and what is freedom? What is equality? So right now, I only study about freedom in a very broader way. So, so I think that doesn't need any particular topic to speak about or search to chat GPT to debatable topic. Let's just grab this topic because many of the people don't much know about this because not every one of us is a part of political theory, but this is an ideal thing that we should know that what is freedom and how it organized or bring and what type of freedoms are exist if there are restrictions also. For example, there are so many laws imposed on us is the laws are a kind of hurdle between our freedom, or what type of constants are tracking for our growth as well. So and this type of constant, whoever decide, and what is the post that allows us to decide on that which is a constant or a dress code or any restrictions, that who are the person, who are the guys who declare it. Okay, so starting from the basic thing, I want to start that this freedom is defined by different people, different political theorists, and there are different definitions, and they all are defined a sum up. If I'm talking a particular sum up of all the political theories, then it must be that a freedom that allows you to do anything, and with the absence of external constants, means there is no external constants that push you towards your dream. Okay, for example, now in the freedom there is lot more things came out. For example, harm principle, positive and negative liberty. So first of all, I want to talk about that if freedom is different for all of them. For example, for you, freedom is just whatever you want to do you can pursue without any restrictions of the person, and maybe for the other person it's a lack of opportunities or resources as well. For example, if I'm talking about 24 hours, so a rich can use 24 hours very bravely or maybe for a study, but for a poor person it is very difficult because they don't have so much time. They have to focus their study as with along with their work also. So it's a kind of difference also, because lack of resources is a reason of freedom as well. Okay, because what I noticed that if you have a lack of resources, then definitely you should know, don't know much about that, how to curb these type of things. So freedom is all about absence of these constant, absence of external forces, and particular forces is just like that someone is pushing you to do something. For example, doing something task or doing any profession. For example, your parents are forcing you to become a doctor if you don't want to. So freedom allows you an area, a minimum area, that gives you freedom, that whatever you want to do you can do in it. Apart from this, if it is harmful to others. Okay, and freedom is also saying that if you are harming to yourself, then it is okay for the world to not indulge in it. Okay, because if your work is affecting yourself, then it is not affecting any person. But if your work or your opinion, your or any type of interest is harming any other person, so definitely it's a part of harm principle. Then there is law and constants are imposed. That's why that's why country need to make its own restrictions, own laws, that if a person is beyond their limit or beyond their minimum area that is available to them, then we can apply this on the basis of harm principle. For example, I can say that there is a loud music example present in my book. So I also give you that one, that if loud music is played in your locality, then it is not a harm principle, it is your disapproval. Okay, because then after that you can't talk to that relatives, or you can disapprove by justifying their flaws, by just you can displaying your or justify your flaws as well. And If there is any harm, for example, if you are killing a person, then definitely it's a part of harmful, because you harm the societies. So it's a part of ruling laws, and all the depend of this you can imply laws on that. So it's a type of one type of freedom, that is harm principle, okay, that allows you a area where you can do anything, but after that area there is some restrictions on it. Okay, dress code, you have to follow dress code on the cricket matches, you have to follow dress code in the schools areas, and this is a part of equality as well. And now, second topic, that is positive and negative liberty. So negative liberty is giving you a minimum area where you can reach up to anything. Okay, where you can do whatever you want to do, the and it's a myth that the more the area is, the more the freedom you have. Definitely it is also. And the positive liberty is providing every resources to a certain people, because sometimes we all have freedom. I know that in 1947 we all are Indians have a freedom to the external forces, to the external absence. Lekin, but there is something internal exist nowadays. For example, women can't go very without fear, roaming on streets. It is impossible for them. So it's a fear. It's a fear that is inculcated in their minds. So I can say that positive liquidity is lack of resources, lack of problems, lack of resources, that leaves you behind the freedom, that gives not you equal freedom as other person can do. So it's a type of positive liberty. So equally resources is also very much necessary to provide freedom. For example, if you are going to particularly speak about freedom, so just play that you make sure that everyone has an equal opportunity, then you are trying to do freedom. Okay, because everyone freedom is different. For a woman who work like, for example, a family or a village in Rajasthan, what can you expect from a woman? That she can have some time in afternoon, and her husband don't beat him in night, and that's all she want. And gain some money for her work, for her basic amenities. So this type of thing is freedom for her. Okay, because actually all the Indians are free, but in that way, in opportunities we are still lacking. So what is trying to do with this chapter is do that thinking that freedom is not about a freedom. Its freedom is a broader concept. If we are studying that freedom is all about that harm principle, that you harm someone or not, freedom is also a part of positive and negative, giving you a certain area that allows you, or arises so many question as well. For example, there are so many question even I don't get an answer, maybe you get it. That is this constant is very necessary to follow that dress code in office, cricket players, why this is possible? If we all are free, then why we don't have a choice to choose our casual clothes? And so for that, it's a set of things. We live in a particular society where so many people are going to live, and we have an conflict in our emotions, conflict in our opinions. So we are ready for that also. There are so many people who want to do rallies in a particular street, so they have to ask. Okay, so this is a question arises when the problems are conflicting, because we know that in a certain country there are so many people who going with conflict their emotions, maybe they clashes with that, that's why they arises conflict. And if there arises conflict, then what is the solution between them? Solution is the only that we are going to follow some restrictions, limitations, that we should if a person beyond that restrictions or break that restriction, then we should have a great punishment for that also. So it's a kind of imprisonment that we are making in constitution. And even we updated our constitution yearly, and allows more policies, allow more problems, because we know that every year has a technology level, we are going to a rapid change. Okay, it's not a rapid change, it's a slowly change, and we should be aware that every change is bring something new, and we should work on that. Because at the time when we are making constitution in 1947 or 49, we are not much aware of it, and we can't see the problems in a very broader way. Maybe there is in a very seed way, or in very um, initial level, but now they are increasing at the final level, so we have to reach their final solution as well. So grab with that and up. That's all. Freedom is all about this. Thank you so much.